Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where we have a 2022 Nautique G23 Super Air surf boat for sale. This is an incredible boat. It only has 35 hours of use, and back in 2022, this sold for over $300,000. Now with the trailer and the telescoping flight control tower, we have it listed for under $180,000, ready to go and hit the lake. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind, custom-designed boat. If you're looking to make waves out on the water and turn some heads, this is the boat for you. One of my favorite things about this boat is a built-in cooler right into the floor, so you don't have to ask anyone to get up out of their seat to get a cold beverage. Just reach into that floor locker and you're ready to go. Also, up here in the bow, a lot of times you have to open the windshield and move some things around to get a bow windscreen. This one has a pocket door, so you just click that latch and pull it across, and you don't have to move the windshield at all to get some wind block. We have two heater hoses, one at the helm here and one in the cockpit, so you can put that under your towel, warm up, dry off, and extend your boating season into the fall or early spring with that chillier air. This G23 has capacity for up to 16 people on board, and if that's not enough weight to give you a nice surf wave, it's got 2,200 pounds of factory ballast that is subfloor. So here in the back next to the ZZ6 motor, you have complete access to your side storage room here. Everything is below the deck, so if you wanted to add some fat sack ballast to the top of that or some lead bags, there's plenty of room for that and for storage. And at the aft, we have two rear-facing loungers with lots of cup holders and even a built-in cooler right in the back. So that just drains and self-bails when you pull that plug. You can put ice in it and have drinks right off the swim platform when you're anchored out. And there's a swim ladder off the platform there as well. This boat is located at MarineMax in beautiful Crosslake, Minnesota. Come check it out today. We would love to take you and your family for a demo ride.